since I seen your face, but I never did you wrong. I just long for your embrace, and wherever you go, and however you roam, just keep your head up high, and keep howling at the moon and the sun. It's been a long, long time since I seen your face. Take that loaded gun away, 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 away. Now it's been a long, long time, and your face eludes my space, and all I do is roam. I feel I've seen this place. Tell me, do you go? And tell me, do you face the fears, the tears, the gears are changing on my mission to the sun?